Now, how many journals or sketchbooks do you need?
To infinity and beyond!
The answer, of course, is as many as you want. We can never have too many sketchbooks. And of course, journals are fantastic. A place to create something in private, on your travels, in your studio, outdoors. Very convenient to have, and every artist needs a few journals and sketchbooks. And in this video, I'm going to show you my latest journal, a beautiful little thing that I'm going to have a lot of fun creating in. This comes from a company called Fuumuui, and recently I reviewed some of their brushes. But while having a look on their website, this travel journal caught my eye. It's a watercolor travel journal, but of course you can use it for gouache and acrylics. So I'm going to show you the unboxing and a little watercolor painting in the journal, and you can decide if you need this watercolor journal in your collection. Let's have a look. Sit back and relax as I unbox the journal and see what's inside. We'll explore this color chart a bit later. You can clip the palette to the rings, but I'm using these clips to just hold it securely in the inside cover. And I'm going to put the colors into the color chart so I can visually see them a bit easier as a reference when I paint. I found the colors to be extremely intense, and I must mention that you can get refills for the palette from Fuumuui or their other distributors, which is very handy to know, and of course refills for your paper. Now the brush, I'm actually quite surprised how easy it is to use and pleasant to use as well. So you can definitely approach any sketching opportunity on your travels with this brush. And I find the large side of the brush obviously is the most useful to cover a lot of space, but the little fine hair brush on the other end will be great for smaller details. I'm painting this like I would do a sketch, whether watercolor or in gouache, not as a traditional watercolor painting as such, but the sort of thing you would do on a quick opportunity to sketch something. And this is really very nice to use. You can see the texture of the paper is very pleasing. And the palettes to mix your colors, very nice to use. As you can see, quite a lot of space, plenty of space actually. Colors are really intense. Look at this burnt sienna and orange, very powerful. And the watercolor goes a long way. There's actually quite a bit in these little compartments. But of course, some colors will run out before others, and you can get refills for them. And that's it, a fun little sketch, and the paper is just the right size too. That sort of A5 size is perfect, and you can do a quick sketch, get some pleasing results and nice memories as well for your travels with this little journal. So there we go, it does the job, got all the parts necessary, and great for storage. Basically everything can just pop into a handbag or your traveling bag, and you've got everything close at hand. Well, I hope you found some inspiration there to go out and get your journal and start creating. You can get the Fuumuui journal from their website or on Amazon, and there's a link in the description as well with a code that you can use to save on your next journal purchase. Look at Fuumui's other products as well. They've got some great brushes and all sorts of interesting art materials, and we love those, don't we? Before I go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. There are many more videos coming, all sorts of tutorials, material reviews, and different mediums. So you won't miss that if you subscribe right now. Well, until next time, enjoy your journal painting, and cheers for now.